The Elliott family mantra is very much based on the people that have been working for the Elliott family from generation to generation. There are people working with this company that worked in my father's time, and it's that depth of experience that allows us to deliver certainty for our clients. Coupled together with technology advancements and systems that we have implemented and given to those experienced people, we're able to deliver peace of mind for our clients, peace of mind for our staff, and peace of mind for sustainable businesses going forward into the future.
Safety is fundamental to the culture of the Elliott Group, and that can be summed up in our taglines of zero risk and everybody goes home safely. So the Elliott Group and myself are really focused on using the most up-to-date technologies that are in the business. One of those systems that we use is a system called Procore. Through Procore, I'm able to use observations tool to assign observations, actions to individuals on the site. Once I send that observation, it's instantly shared with the entire project team, and a focus on closing that issue out is immediate.
The Elliott Group team on site have a system in place for tracking QA hold points. An example of this is wall closures. Wall closures will identify any issues which may arise before the wall is closed. The information will then be filtered out to the construction team relevant to that inspection.
Through the use of BIM models, we can exactly plan where we can park certain trucks for deliveries, where cranes can go, where hoists can go. We know exactly what roads we need to close, how much of the road we need to close. If we can arrange for pedestrian access, if we need to move anything. We know exactly the dimensions, we know how big certain areas will be. So through the use of BIM models, we know where we need to revise, we know when we need to go back to the client, we know where we need to go back to the architect, and then we can work from there before we get to site, rather than wasting money, wasting resources, wasting materials, and wasting people's times.
As a member of the Elliott family, construction is in our DNA. We've been operating in the construction industry since the 1920s. As a business, we'd like to think we have what we call an Elliott way of doing things. I'm bringing that with our team into the UK and in the Irish projects that I'm involved in. It's all about collaborative behaviour, honest behaviour, making sure that the project comes first, and empowering our team to deliver the best project for our client.
So not only does the business have to be sustainable from a planet point of view, but it also has to be sustainable from an economic point of view, which allows us to look after our Elliott people into the future.